The junior varsity baseball fields, the scorekeepers' tables, even the sidewalks here at Inderkum High School are all brand new.
And we're hoping that it instills a lot of pride into our students and they're eager to come and play baseball for us.
The soccer fields, benches, and dugouts have also been renovated.
The fields also include new outfield fencing, netting, and all the fields got scoreboards.
And it's not just Inderkum High. New basketball courts, quads, gyms, and classrooms now also stand at K-8 campuses, American Lakes, Bannon Creek, and Jefferson.
The gyms are state-of-the-art. They have basketball hoops that raise and lower.
And in 2023, similar to Inderkum, crews will begin renovating Natomas High School's fields. This is a proposed rendering of what the upgrade may look like, including a new, sustainable, and modern water system.
We're putting in a lot of water-saving measures as part of that project.
These projects are all part of investments the Natomas Unified School District has made in not only its facilities, but its students.
Not only does it give them a place that they're excited to come to and engage in each day so they'll be successful for their future, but it also allows them a safe and functioning environment.